Hi guys, welcome to another Windows tutorial. Today we're going to look at using Hyper-V on Windows Server 2008 R2. So to do this, click on the Server Manager icon next to the Start menu, expand Roles, expand Hyper-V, click on the Hyper-V Manager, and here's the Hyper-V Manager. So down here on the right hand side, you can see what you can do with the Hyper-V. So you can create a new virtual machine, hard disk or floppy disk. You can import a virtual machine. You can change Hyper-V settings. You can change you've got a virtual network manager. You can edit a disk, inspect a disk, stop the Hyper-V service, remove a server, refresh. You can connect to a virtual machine that you've got highlighted. You can change the settings for that virtual machine. You can start it, take a snapshot, export it, rename it, delete it, or help. So what we're going to do first, we're going to create a virtual machine. So we're going to click New and Virtual Machine. On this first page, click Next. Now give the virtual machine a name. And you can either store it in your C drive where Hyper-V stores it by default, or you can specify a different location such as another drive. So click Next. Now you need to decide how much memory you're going to give the virtual machine. You can give it you can only give it the amount your actual computer has, or server in this case. So I'm only going to be installing Windows 7, so I'm going to just put 512, that's fine. But for Windows XP you can put less, like 256, or depending on what you want to do with the virtual machine, you may want to give it more. So click Next now, and configure networking. So by default it's not connected, but click the down arrow and select a virtual network. So as you can see here, Windows Tutorials HD Virtual. Click Next. Now you can configure the hard disk, so you can either create a new disk and specify a size here, decide where the hard disk is going to be, or you can either use an existing virtual hard disk, or you can attach one later. So click Next. Here's where you decide how you want to install the operating system. So you can either install it later, point Hyper-V to a physical DVD or CD, or to an ISO image file, from a floppy disk, or from a network-based installation server. I'm going to select Install an operating system from a boot CD-ROM. I'm going to select image file. I'm going to find the ISO. Here we go. And I'm going to click Next and Finish. Now Hyper-V will configure the virtual machine, and you'll see it here, Demo. So to start the virtual machine, click Start, and to see what the virtual machine is doing, click Connect. And there we go. To stop a virtual machine, you can either click Shut Down, or Stop, or Turn Off. Turn Off will turn off the virtual machine without telling it it's going to do it. So if I click Stop here, it will give me a message, sorry, saying, are you sure you want to turn off this virtual machine? I'm going to click Turn Off, because I'm sure you don't want to watch me install Windows 7. So if I close this, so what you can also do here is you can edit the settings. So I can click edit. You've got all different settings here you can change, or you can add hardware. For example, I can boot from BIOS. I can tell the BIOS what to do, how to boot up, specify memory, how many processors and the resources it can take. I can say processor compatibility, IDE controller, SCSI controller, network adapter, serial ports, floppy drive, name, integration, snapshot, automatic start, and automatic stop. So I click OK. And that's really it for this tutorial. Look out for more coming soon.